Welcome once again to the Universal Helios Grand Hotel, where we are still showing you different room types. If you haven't watched the other room tours, we have plenty. We have a 2 queen park view room. We have the deluxe queen park view room. We have a king suite. We have so many rooms for you to tour, and now we are touring a celestial suite with a park view. The celestial suites, I believe, only come in this style. Essentially, this is the better version of the king suite, which is located on the other side of the building. This is the park view one, and the layout's very different. So if you watch that king suite, keep this in mind because it's very different and I think vastly improved. You could tell they cared more about this. Upon entry, there is a bathroom. Is this light? Maybe not. That's the on button. Is that the only? Oh, it's dark. That's the only light. It's not particularly good to have a vanity without a lot of light. Not a lot of light there. Again, that sandy, beachy pink color with the gold finish on the unit. Vanity with 1 sink. Toilet. There you have it. Now, this seems to make more sense to me. This is set up in more a way that you could operate it like a bar. You can make drinks for people. Yeah, there's a microwave. I don't know. The weird kitchenette in the king suite made no sense. This makes more sense to me. So you have a sink. You do have a whole bunch of storage space under here. I don't know why you'd need it other than if you're having a party and you put some liquor under there. Maybe some, I mean, you could put some food. The only thing you have to cook with is a microwave. Keep that in mind. We have the nondescript coffee maker. I say that it has no brand name. This is a hotel with rooms that are, $7, $8, $9, $100, $1,000 and up. And we have a coffee maker without a name on it. It's pretty ridiculous. There is, see now again, look at this fridge. There's a wine rack in there. This is definitely meant for party. This is a space for party. We have a little pantry. Two shelves there. A little pantry. We have a table to dine at, 4 chairs. This is art I haven't seen yet. We've been in the presidential suite. That's another tour you can watch here on the channel. The most expensive room in the hotel. But yeah, this sun art. Haven't seen that in any room. It's new to me. So you have tile coming in, and it switches to carpet and space that people will be sleeping in. Someone can sleep. Multiple people can sleep in this living room space. You can see we have a beautiful view of the Constellation Carousel and out into Celestial Park. This will be an excellent view of, now we know there is a nighttime show. It is a fountain and light show. There's no drones, no pyro, no fireworks. None of that, but it is a light show, and the lights will go throughout all of Celestial Park. Jason actually has a great view here. This is Jason's room. He's staying here. Because Apollo, his lighting is part of that show too. And we've got, look at that. You can see every inch of the lighting that'll be in the show. The Meteor Astro Pub, all the other buildings in Celestial Park are visible from this room. So that's great. You can see every inch of all the crazy lighting effects that will happen in that nighttime show. There's a lamp here, we got a chair, table. I wonder how easy or hard this is. This looks heavy to me. Oh, it's very heavy. This does open, right? Does it not? Oh, it does. I'm going to work off dinner moving this table. There is the iPad, which the rooms have that use to control the lights. You can ask for more towels, all sorts of things you can do with that. There's an end table there, lamp. Now, someone's going to be sleeping here, so it would have been helpful to have a charging space for them here, but alas, I don't see any outlets. There are standard outlets back there you'll plug something into, but nothing readily available for this being a space someone will sleep in. Now, there is a unit under the TV here. I wonder, can you store stuff in here? You certainly can. So whoever's sleeping out here, if they want to store some stuff, they can there. It does appear you can get an adjoining room to these Celestial Suites. There's a nice big mirror there. What I like is if you don't do that, you do have room to put the bags. There, people sleep in here. You need somewhere to put the bags. There's a little alcove here you can use for that purpose. There are more outlets over here. Again, it just would have been nice if, just like next to the bed, there were charging ports for you. Just would have been a nice thing. There are a lot of weird little oversights like that in this hotel. Now, I think essentially this is just a king room. Actually, look, is it a little small? No, I don't know. I think it's slightly different. So, nice big headboard. There are dome lights. There's our king bed. Again, there's no storage space under the bed. I know we got very used to that in recent years at Disney hotels and the like, but not a thing. Now, see, look, they're so thoughtful with the charging ports everywhere else in these hotel rooms. There's 2 standard USB, 2 standard outlets, and 1 USB-C on each side. So double those numbers just for this side, and you get that again on the other side. So plenty of space to charge stuff. And then even more over here at this little workstation, a USB, a USB-C, and 2 standard there as well. Nice little work. I like that. I ended up editing some videos when we stayed here in my little pocket. I like that. I like this. This is my favorite because if you have a park view room, this is the setup I want. Now, if you got the deluxe park view, which is the queen room we showed a couple weeks ago, there's a sofa in the way, and it has to be because you need a space to sleep the 5th person, which is the reason it's a deluxe room. What I like about this is it's really nice to have 2 seats, you and your significant other, your family, whoever, come turn the seats around, look out the window, enjoy these nighttime views and the nighttime lighting show out here. I will say what this hotel lacks in thoughtfulness in the rooms and, detail and theme and accents throughout the building, it thoroughly makes up for it with the view. It is a wonderful view of the park. Not in daytime, it's fine. But at night, it's really something. The lighting package in this park is incredible, and the hotel is taking full advantage of that with its views. Now, if we slide this door out of the way, I think we have a nice big closet here. We sure do. Ooh, it's very spacious. There are some Lowe's robes. We have our ironing board, our iron, our luggage rack, safe, extra bedding. There's the iron. Close this. No lights in there, though. There's reading lights on the headboard. I'm trying to think if I miss anything. I think there's another mini fridge. Obviously not nearly the size. No. See, this is what I said. I said they lack a general thoughtfulness in the rooms. Like, they ordered all the furniture and then we're like, well, it's time to make the rooms. And I was like, I don't know. Like, I guess you could put luggage in here, but I don't know. I don't have a bag that fits in that space. Like, all you had to do was get a piece of wood and make a shelf out of this. Like, in the middle. And then people could have used it. It's just a big empty space where a fridge goes. It even has the cutout in the back. It has vents underneath. Like, that's just incredibly bizarre. Incredibly bizarre. You have drawers here. Ice bucket. Glasses. I do like the custom coasters for Helios. $8 Fiji water you could buy. I will say again, turn down service, they always brought us little water bottles. So don't pop those open. You don't need it. Don't do it. We have a nice big bathroom. We got the dual vanity. I love that. Everybody's got their own sink. Nice big mirror. I love how it frames the lights. I always like that. Much brighter in this one with the illuminated mirror. You can really see, and there is an illuminating makeup mirror as well. There is There is an off-center toilet. There's lots of room for you to, I mean, if you want to do your business from the side of the toilet, I suppose you could. That's weird. Why is it off-center? Why did the room have a bunch of room to this side? Who knows? This is not an accessible room. You might be thinking that. It's not. It's not a thing. Okay. Well, it's weird. What, did they not stamp his toilet paper? They didn't Did that end already? Are they not doing it? Oh, they didn't stamp the tissue paper either. When we stayed, they stamped the Helios logo onto the toilet paper and the tissue paper. Are there tissues out here? No. Well, let's check this bath. I'm going to assume no. Nope. Did that already end, or was it just an oversight, or the person didn't have their little tool to do it? I don't know. Hopefully someone will help me solve that mystery as time goes on. I'm not staying here again until the middle of June. So we might have to wait till then to get our answer. Here is the shower. Oh, that only goes, it doesn't come out? It does. It's just very hard to open. All right. Shower. There's a giant ledge, which is nice. It's a good size. Nice and big. Mounted shampoo, conditioner, body wash, all that kind of stuff. Yeah. I didn't really talk about that. I know I'm getting, because I've been to this hotel so many times the last month. I'm glossing over things, I should say. This is that phase of the moon type paper art piece we've seen in a lot of rooms. Show you the lamps. The curtains are automatic. I don't know. Is it over here? Yeah. Let's see if it's gonna cooperate today. They are cooperating. So you just hold one side, depending which way you want them to go. Same with the drapes. Cool. I'm glad they're getting that working in more of the rooms. It's good to see. But Celestial Park's coming to life. It's cool that we filmed when we did, because then we get to, now you get to see it at night. It's not completely night yet, but it's almost there. I'll kill a couple of these lights so you see the view, and we'll end on that, although I can't actually shut this lamp. The switch is not working. Is this one gonna work? Are these for show? Do those not work? Do I have to hit? Oh, that worked. That shut both of them? I'm not gonna ask questions. There we go. Very nice view of Celestial Park at night. So, Helios Grand, like I said, the rooms lack some thoughtfulness. They're not overly themed. The resort itself is not overly themed, but proximity and ease of getting to the parks is wonderful, and this view, if you have a park view room, you are not going to be sad about it. So, make your choices accordingly. If you like this review, hit the like button, subscribe for more. Please check out all our other Helios Grand room tours. Again, the 2 queen bed park view room. We have the 2 queen bed deluxe park view room. The king suite. We have this now, the Celestial Suite, the Presidential Suite, and more to come. We're going to be staying in those How to Train Your Dragon room, the kids' room in a few days, and more to come still. So stay tuned for the rest of that, and check out the rest of our Epic Universe coverage, and thanks for watching.